If you process your astrophotos in Siril or SetiAstro Suite Pro, something just happened that you need to know about. It's just 1 week ago, and when you wanted a serious deconvolution solution outside of PixInsight, you had basically nothing. And today, you have two real options. Because today, BlurXTerminator and with it all exterminators, also NoiseXTerminator and StarXTerminator, broke free from PixInsight. I already installed the BlurXTerminator within SetiAstro Suite Pro, and it works perfectly. So let me show you what happened, how you get it, how you use it, and what it actually means, especially also for PixInsight. Hey, this is Finger to Space. I'm Sascha from Switzerland. So grüezi miteinander and thanks for watching my channel. So here are the news. Russ Croman from SyAstro just released standalone versions of all his exterminators. So BlurXTerminator, StarXTerminator and NoiseXTerminator. Until now, StarXTerminator and NoiseXTerminator needed either PixInsight or Photoshop, and BlurXTerminator was only available for PixInsight. And so this lock is gone, and all these tools are now available on their own, be it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. And they can be built into any software. Siril and SetiAstro Suite Pro made the start and already implemented it. And the great part is Siril and SetiAstro Suite Pro, they're free. And if you already own the exterminators, then you can use this new tool for free and can actually use now all your tools also in the other products. Now, I'm really excited about this development, because think about where we were just a week ago. If you did not have the rather expensive PixInsight, then serious deconvolution was just off the charts for you. Then within 1 week, two things happened. First came SyQon with Parallax and offered it for all the platforms. And I recently made videos about Parallax and its comparison with BlurXTerminator. Link of these videos are in the description below. And now BlurXTerminator itself broke free and runs in SetiAstro Suite Pro and Siril too. So if you use SetiAstro Suite Pro or Siril, then it's not just that you have now an option, but you actually have a choice between two really great solutions. And with that, both of these solutions, Siril and SetiAstro Suite Pro, are complete, serious astrophotography environments now. So before we continue more to discuss about what this all means, let me show you on my computer how you can install it and how it will look like in the SetiAstro Suite Pro. But before that, just a little note that at the moment this is all happening so fast. This is about the 7th video I did within the last 2 weeks, and I would have more. It's crazy. And if you want to stay up to date, the easiest way is please subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the notifications. But an even better way to get more context, to get all these messages much earlier before I can do a video, is to join my Patreon platform. There's a lot of info and a lot of good discussion. Please have a look. Link is in the description below. Okay, welcome on my computer and welcome on SyAstro's website, which is rcastro.com, standalone SyAstro Tools. And here you see an ominous timer, which when this video will be released will be gone. As you can see, I still have 16 hours to finish my video. Anyway, let me guide you through this website here, and then also let's switch to SetiAstro Suite Pro and look how it works there. So in principle, this whole thing is a command line tool. So you could theoretically, I don't think that's the best way, but you could actually in the command line work with BlurXTerminator, StarXTerminator, NoiseXTerminator, if you would choose so. But from my point of view, that's not what we want to do. We want to go either to Siril or to SetiAstro. And I just know it from SetiAstro Suite, it's already integrated. If you download the newest version of the SetiAstro Suite Pro, you will already see what I see now. You just don't have the CLI yet for BlurXTerminator, but you will already see the Astro Tools icon there. So then here, what is the price? Again, if you already have licenses, any licenses for BlurXTerminator, NoiseXTerminator, or StarXTerminator, then this CLI tool is for free. If you do not have yet the exterminators, and based on that it's now available for Siril or for SetiAstro Suite Pro, you want to buy it, then you can buy it here in the store. And actually I have a goodie for you. Ross gave me this code here, view into space 10, view into space all capitals. And with this voucher code, you get 10% off. And also always remember with the Astro Tools that if you buy more than one, they're cheaper. So then below here we see the system requirements. As stated, it works with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So now how to install this whole thing. It's a little bit unusual. So first of all, you have to download on your account page the version that works for your computer, Mac, Windows, Linux. And once you downloaded it, you install it. And at least on the Mac, which I have, I found afterwards the directory with the CLI in my application folder. But that's not all, because now the licenses are not activated yet, and you have to activate the licenses. That's a one-time thing you have to do. And you have to do it, sorry to say, in the terminal. And it's kind of funny, before AI, I would have been scared going into the terminal, changing anything. But actually, the last time, there's so many times that ChatGPT or Claude tells me to go in the terminal and do some stuff. And so I'm already quite used to it. Anyway, on the account page, you will find a button which is called Activate Products. When you do that, you will get some command line prompts, and you copy paste them in the terminal and just press enter, and that's all you have to do. You will immediately see the SyAstro logo in terminal and a message that your license is activated. You have to do it once for each of the SyAstro tools. So if you have all three, this is a 3 command lines which you have to enter in the terminal, press enter, and you do this once and it's done. And once these two things are done, so that you have installed the CLI and that you have activated the licenses, then you can actually go and say the Astro Suite. I just did that right now, and as I stated, be sure that you have the newest version. Only then will it work. And then you find here, look at this here, Astro Tools. So you can click this icon, and now the only thing you have to do, executable, you click on Browse, you go in your application folders, SyAstro, CLI, and there you will find this SyAstro CLI. You open that, again, you have to do that once, it will always stay in here. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, your weapon is armed. So you see here we have BlurXTerminator, StarXTerminator, NoiseXTerminator. And if you have all three, if you have activated them, they will be ready for you. Now it's a little tiny little bit different from what you know from PixInsight. You do not have this correct only button, but actually the assumption is if you do not sharpen the stars and you're neutral also on adjust halos, then it's in principle correction only, right? Then we only get round stars but not sharpened stars. But for this example now, let's sharpen the stars, and we can sharpen the non-stellar. I also go in the same level as I would go in PixInsight, and then you click run. And as you can see, it's starting. I would say it takes a little bit longer than in PixInsight. And BlurXTerminator completed successfully. We click OK, we click Close, we close the whole thing here, and voila. When we look here, the before and after, we see nicely that it worked out. And that is the whole magic. Nothing more to it. And I'm sure in Siril it will be a similar easy experience. So I hope you have seen now why I'm so excited about it, how easy it is. And so the question is now, what does that mean for PixInsight? Let's be fair, but also let's be clear about it. For the last years, probably the biggest reason to spend so much money and buy PixInsight was to get access, not only, but specifically to the RC Astro Tools. This was just a fact. If you wanted BlurXTerminator, there was no way around PixInsight. This reason just got much weaker. The exclusivity is gone. PixInsight is still an incredibly powerful program, and it's definitely not going anywhere. But one of the biggest pull factors is gone. And remember that this comes exactly at the same time as PixInsight starts building its own AI tools. And they just released one as a preview, and I just reviewed it in my last video. And we have seen the potential, but we've also seen that they're not there yet. And so the future success of PixInsight will heavily depend on how well PixInsight itself can actually develop their AI tools. If they come up to par with SetiAstro and SyQon, they might still have a compelling case because these other tools, they're also quite expensive. So $300, which includes all three AI-enabled tools on the same quality level as the other two competitors, might still be a good offer. $300 for a base environment, which you get for free with Siril and SetiAstro Pro, might in the future be a hard sale. And perhaps one thing which we also have to touch, what does it mean for SyQon? For the SyQon tools, be it Parallax, Prism or Starless, it simply means that they have now on each of their platforms a competition. And quite honestly, I'm excited about that. It applies now for both companies, SyQon and SetiAstro. They have real competition, and usually real competition is in the interest of us users because it makes both of them strive to get even better and ahead of the other ones. And we can only profit from that. So to just sum that up, I think for us consumers, this is very good news in any way, be it that new users are not forced anymore to spend so much money for PixInsight and can still have tools which are up on par with the ones that use PixInsight, be it that there's a good competition, be it for PixInsight, be it for SetiAstro or SyQon. There is no monopoly anymore, and everybody has now to strive to deliver the best and to deliver what we as users want. And so I think it couldn't be any better. Please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are, what you're most excited about. So see you next time, and clear skies.